So how to set up separate Wi-Fi button or cellular or Bluetooth or like that. To set up this one, press and hold your control panel, add a control. Then if you go down, then under connectivity you can see all of your names available here. Just press this one. Now drag and drop on top. Now you're able to add anywhere and press on this icon, then it will be add. And if you want to remove this one, press on minus, then it will be gone. And if you want to reset all or add it again, add control. Now it will be add again. So that's it. And if you want to reset whole thing, just go to setting, and under setting go to control center, reset control center, reset. Then you can see my control center is resetting now. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.